Hello, dear students. I hope you all must be fit and fine and have enjoyed Christmas celebration at your home. Today we are going to start with Unit 8 of Moral Science. Look before you leap. Unit 8, Look before you leap. The title of the unit is on a proverb. It means, before doing anything, children, think wisely. Before doing any work, you have to think twice or thrice what you are going to do. Unit 8, Look before you leap, page number 40. Page number 40. Look before you leap is a famous proverb. It indicates that whatever we do must be done after enough thought. There are some people who do think without giving any attention to the consequence. Later, they realize that what they had done was wrong and regret for it. Always remember, life is not a computer. In a computer, we can undo what we have done. But in life, if something is done, it is done forever. Therefore, before doing something, think twice or even thrice. So, students, whatever you do, you must think before doing it. There are many people who do not think before doing something, and when they understand that it is wrong, they feel bad about it. Your life is not a computer. You cannot erase the mistakes that you have done. So, think twice or thrice before doing anything. Let's move to the story time. The story is The Fox and the Goat. Story time, The Fox and the Goat. Once a fox accidentally fell into a well. He tried his best to come out, but all to no use, so he had to remain there for a long time. The next day, a goat came that way. He peeped into the well to see if there was some water. She saw the fox there. "What are you doing there, Mr. Fox?" asked the goat. "I came here to drink water. It is the best I have ever tasted. Come and see for yourself," replied the fox. Without thinking even a bit, the goat jumped into the well. She drank enough water and looked for a way to get out. The fox said, "I have an idea. Stand on your hind legs. I will climb on your head and get out. Then I shall help you out too." The silly goat did so, and the fox got out of the well. While walking away, he said, "You are not wise. Think twice before you leap." The decisions we make determine our fate. We should think both the positive and negative aspects before making a decision. Dear students, let me explain you this story. Once a clever fox fell into the well and had to remain there. Next day, a goat came to see if there was water in the well. He saw the fox and asked him what he was doing there. The fox told he came to drink water, and goat should also come to taste the water. The goat jumped and drank enough water and then struggled to find the way out of the well. The fox gave an idea and got out of the well. On coming out, he said to the goat, "You are not wise. Think twice before you leap." Which means, children, the goat did not give a single thought about her action and was fooled by the act of fox. Therefore, children, we should think both the positive and negative aspects before making a decision. Note down the date at the top of the page. Activity time, page number 42. Activity time, page number 42. Moral, think wisely. What is the moral? Think wisely. WISELY, wisely, full stop. Answer the questions. Part A. What does the proverb look before you leap indicates? Answer is, it indicates that we should think properly before doing anything. It indicates that we should think properly before doing anything, full stop. B part. How is life different from a computer? How is life different from a computer? Answer is, in a computer we can undo what we have done, but in life it is done forever. In a computer we can undo what we have done, but in life it is done forever, full stop. C part. What should we do before doing something? What should we do before doing something? Answer is, we should think twice or even thrice. We should think twice or even thrice. Twice, TWICE. Thrice, THRICE. Thrice. Part 2. Write true or false. Write true or false. Part A. One should give enough thought to every action. True. One should give enough thought to every action. True. B part. What is done cannot be undone. True. What is done cannot be undone. True. C part. It is useless to think of the consequences. False. It is useless to think of the consequences. False. Check your answers. First true, second true, last is false. Part C. Fill in the blanks. Part A. Our dash determine our fate. Answer is decisions. DECISIONS. Part B. Think twice before you leap. 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 Think twice before you leap. C. The dash accidentally fell into the well. Fox. The fox accidentally fell into the well. Dear students, with this we have completed our unit. Do the reading twice, thrice, as many times as you can. Learn the questions and write the work neatly and properly in your books itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.